Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you Element of Account Standard 11 Part 2 Chapter 8 Introduction of Desi Nama System. Here introduction is that in account there are two methods are there, dual system and Desi Nama system. Here we get the information about Desi Nama. Introduction. Two methods of writing accounts are prevalent. First, double entry system and second, Desi Nama system. Desi Nama system is a very old system derived and dropped in the Indian subcontinent to write accounts. This system is older than double entry system. There is a good deal of similarity between the two systems from the viewpoint of accounting principles. Still, however, because of its specific peculiarities, this system shines out as against other systems. In this system, the books are known as Wahi. When we write the accounts, and these books is known as Wahi. And therefore, this system is also known as Wahi Khata Paddhati. In place of Desi Nama Paddhati, second name of Desi Nama Paddhati is Wahi Khata Paddhati. This system is written in the regional language. If Gujarati, Punjabi, Marathi, when they use the Desi Nama system, then they write in their regional language. However, the system is very old. It is a scientific and complete method. It is very easy to write and understand the accounts by Desi Nama system. Second, characteristics of Desi Nama. Characteristics of Desi Nama system are as under. First, books. The books under Desi Nama are covered with the red cloth and are hard bound. A design is made on this cover by thick string. These books are in the vertical form and contain plain white blank sheets tied with strings. However, nowadays, simple books of accounts with lined page are also in use. Second, Vikram Samvat. Desi Nama is usually maintained for a Vikram Samvat year, from Kartak Sud 1, Ekam to Aswad Amas. Nowadays, it is also maintained as per income tax rules for a financial year from 1st April to 31st March. Third point, page for Puja. On the first page of Rojmail or Bethomel, the business writes the name of God. He worships and also writes a prayer to the God like Sri Ganeshaya Nama, Sri Lakshmi Mata Jinu Tej Hajo, etc. This page is termed as a puja page. No accounting entry is recorded on this page. Fourth one, use of the word Sri. In Desi Nama, while recording an entry in the Rojmail, Bethomel or subsidiary books, the name of an account, Khata, is preceded with the word Sri. As example, if interest Vyaj account is to be written, it will be written as Sri Vyaj Khate. Sri is considered as a sign of omen. Now, fifth one, shall or folds. The page in each of the books of accounts are with folds. Sir, Rujbed, Bethomel and Khatawahi have pages with 8 folds. But pages in subsidiary books have 6 folds. However, now in changing times, pages without folds and with columns drawn are being used. Sixth one, credit Jama and debit Udhar side. In the book for the Desi Nama system, out of total 8 folds, first four folds on the left hand side are known as Jama, credit side, and the remaining 4 folds as Udhar, debit side. Thus, the left hand side is known as Jama and right hand side is known as Udhar. First, second, third and fourth, these 4 folds are known as Jama. 5, 6, 7, 8 is Udhar. To explain the folds, here line is drawn instead of fold. Method of writing in folds or cells. In Desi Nama, while recording a transaction in Rojmail or Bethomel on either the credit or debit side, the amount of economic transaction is recorded in the first fold of the side. In the remaining 3 folds, the name of the account affected and the debit or credit to it is written. Below the name of the account, a brief detailed narration of the economic transaction is given, and below such a brief detailed narration, ledger folio number is written in the third or fourth fold. In Deshinama, the name of the account of the transaction is written after drawing a line. Generally, the first fold of for the amount and the remaining three folds are for the particular of the transaction. Now, eighth one, meaning of writing the amount. While entering the amount in Desinama books, a sign of a bracket is known as a holayo or otherwise olayo is put between the amount in rupees and paisa. Many businessmen nowadays use the equals instead of olayo. As example, an amount 120 rupees 25 paisa. So 121 is equal to 25. Rupees 121 and 25 paisa. 9 point language. Books of account in Desinama system are written in the regional language. In Gujarati, Desinama is written in Gujarati language. Ink. Generally, Desinama is written in black with black ink. However, blue ink is also used nowadays. Now, third point, books of accounts under Desinama system. Rough book. In business, transactions take place continuously during day. It is not convenient to write the books during the day. There is a possibility of forgetting to record some transactions while making the transactions of a receipt and payment. At the same time, it is also not proper if receipt and payments transactions are not at all recorded. Therefore, in order not to forget the transactions, small traders record their transactions of the day on a slate or loose sheets or in a diary. Such a record is known as a tachon or a tippan. For a big businessman, the transactions are many and hence they record them either in a diary or a notebook or a book maintained for this purpose. Such a record book is termed as a gadhiya, sudhiya or a daniya. These are the different terms used for the rough book of record. A book in use for such rough records is known as a adadiya. The businessman takes brief notes in such adadiya as per his requirement. With the help of such a rough book, at the end of the day or convenient time, organized accounting is done. If any transaction is forgotten to be recorded in the Rojmed or if any error has occurred, it can be traced, verified with the help of such a rough book. Second one, Rojmed. The way in which a journal is maintained under the double entry system of accounting, Rojmed is maintained in the same way under Desinama. Thus, Rojmed is the basic or primary book of accounting under Desinama. Cash and credit transactions are recorded in Rojmed. Closing balance derived on the basis of transactions recorded shows cash on hand, which is termed as a Purant Baki. Rojmed is maintained every day. At the end of accounting entries for the day, cash balance is found out. That is why it is known as Rojmed. Ledger is prepared with the help of Rojmed. Bathomed. Bathomed is another form of Rojmed. Small traders, businessmen whose quantum of transaction is comparatively less, many maintain a complete med at the end of a week or a fortnight or a month and balance is extracted. Such med is known as Bathomed or Thammed. Thus, Bathomed or Thammed is a composite or collective Rojmed for a predetermined period of days. Now, there is a Khatawahi, means ledger. Ledger means Khatawahi, is a main book of accounts. In Khatawahi, in ledger accounts are opened and posting is done in such a ledger accounts from Rojmed, Bathomed and subsidiary books like Rojmed for Khatawahi ledger, also a book containing 8-fold pages is used first for folds for the, debit side and other 4 folds are for credit side. Usually one page is kept for each account. Peta non subsidiary books. Big businessman whose quantum of business economic transaction is comparatively larger maintain certain additional books in addition to Rojmed which are known as Peta non or Petavahi. Subsidiary books transactions which are recorded in Peta non are not recorded in Rojmed or Betomed. Following Peta non are used in Deshinama. फर्स्ट जमा नोंद परचेज बुक, सेकंड उधार नोंद सेल्स बुक और वकरा नोंद, थर्ड दागीना मेल जनश वही और स्टॉक रजिस्टर, फोर्थ वन आंकड़ा वही सुधा वही और काची वही, फिफ्थ वन उघराणी नोंद, सिक्स्थ वन जांगड़ नोंद, सेवेंथ वन करार नोंद, एथ वन व्याज वही, नाइन्थ वन हुंडी वही, टेंथ वन कबाला वही और करार नोंद and 11th one bank wahi. Now 6th one Avro. All those transactions recorded in Rojmed or Betomed and subsidiary books are again recorded in another book at the end of 15 days or a month. Such book is called Avro. Avro is prepared like Rojmed and for the purpose. A book that has pages with 8 folds is used. After preparing Avro, at the end of a specified period, the closing balance Purant Baki is arrived at. Such a closing balance is tallied with the closing balance Purant Baki as per Rojmed or Betomed, because such a balance in both the books should be the same. When posting is done after completing Avro, it is known as Paku Namu because Namu is accumulated in one account and recorded again. It is said that Avro करे ते भूल नहीं करे. Avro करे ते भूल नहीं करे. The one who makes Avro will not make any mistake. Avro is useful for detecting errors and mistakes in all the transactions in the books of accounts, and it is also useful as a tool of control. Avro is generally maintained by shroffs and big businessmen. So this way our point number 1, 2 and 3 complete. Thank you very much.